Yeah. New, scary, funny story. We are back, part 2. Paula, the pickup truck. You better have some good luck. Trust in God so you don't die like a duck. Pow! Getting shot by a hunter. To all my readers, are you ready? This is a horror, a comedy, scary and funny, giving God the glory, helping me to make it up for you and me. Yeah. Okay, we are back, people. Paula, the pickup truck, part 2. What you gonna do? From my Instagram, I'm making this story up from scratch, but glory to God for helping me. It says, well, first, the movie poster looks like this. You see a couple in the background with the sunset, a sniper, the secret agent with the gun in his hand. That's Andrew. This scared lady is Mary, who used to work for the government. She's actually what this truck is based on. Her spirit hunts the truck, but it's really a female demon that looks like her because Mary is dead. How sad. Okay, it says the sad woman who got fired from her job. It was very peaceful in the woods, but there was a lot of noise. When Homer and Heather was driving the purple Toyota truck everywhere, they was laughing and going crazy. They both took turns driving the truck. The two lovers didn't know that a few days ago, a beautiful woman lost her life inside this truck. Her name was Mary, and she used to work for the government. But when she found out some evil things that they was hiding from the public, Mary wanted to leave and expose their dark secrets. But the government fired her. You're fired! And had a top secret agent hunt her down and shoot her. How tragic. One night, Mary was trying to get away in the purple truck. She couldn't call her family or friends because the government could trace her phone. So she secretly got as far as she could. It was dark. Later that night, on a lonely road, she saw a UFO. What is that? She saw a UFO, unidentified flying object, and it was following her. She got scared. She got scared and drove the vehicle as fast as she could and tried to hide from the flying saucer. With its bright lights, she wasn't paying attention, and all of a sudden, after her truck shuts off by itself in the middle of nowhere, it's pitch black, and she can't see nothing. And when she tries to get out of the vehicle, she sees a gray alien near the window. Ooh. With its big head and black eyes and long arms, it grabs her. She's like, ah, as she screams, ah. The ugly freak, strange creature, takes her away, but she returns hours later. Andrew Halls, the secret agent, finds her in the woods and kills her as she begs her life. as she begs for her life. She fights him. He's like, well, you ungrateful lady, you left us, now you die. No! It might sound funny, but it's really sad in real life. I'm just trying to act it out for y'all. She fights him, but gets shot to death. He buries her body, but a female demon, an evil spirit, takes on her form to look like her and hunts the truck. Demons can make themselves look like anyone. Most of the time we think it's ghosts, but it's really a demon that looks like someone who passed away, who hunts a house or a vehicle, a car, or something else. That's the truth. That's what God shows me. A female demon takes on her form to look like her and hunts the truck. The government covers this up and decides to get rid of the truck, to give it to anyone if they find it alone outside. The aliens and the government were secretly working together. Homer and Heather falls asleep in the truck near a lake with the body of water, the fishes, all that. They wake up after the radio comes on by itself, playing music. Huh? Baby, what's that? I don't know. The radio. But we didn't turn it on. Ugh. Heather feels that something is biting her booty. She's like, ah! Something biting her tail, her butt. But her passenger seat has nothing on it. There's nothing there. Homer tries to go somewhere else in the truck, but his toes is getting sore and very hot from the pedal, almost like a cigarette lighter is burning him. But there's nothing there either. To be continued. Hope y'all like it so far. Glory to God.